Hi guys, welcome to the Beehive Show. Today we're at Thai Global Summit 2024 and I have Dev Jani from Capital Cupid with me. Hi DJ, welcome to the show.
Hi. Hi.
So thank you for being here first of all, and could you just quickly introduce yourself and your brand to our audience?
Hi guys, I'm Dev Jani. So I'm from Capital Cupid. So I'll tell you what Capital Cupid does. It's a matchmaking platform, but it doesn't exactly do matchmaking as in dating.
Yeah.
It matches investors / VCs with appropriate startups based on their portfolio. So we are basically using recommender systems with generative AI in our platform. So we are into deep tech plus fintech. So that's what we are doing. Like for the VCs, there's an entire portfolio, like they can see their entire portfolio in it. There will be a pie chart where they can actually see their investments and the sectors they have invested in. Plus there will be a graph which shows basically how much returns they have gotten from the investment they have made so far. So that is for the VCs, and there are a lot more other things actually. And for the startups also, we are providing a platform where they can actually, suppose they have tech, but they do not have the legal acumen, right? So in that, we can help the startups with the legal acumen, with compliance issues, with a lot of other things, even with sales actually. So apart from this, we also have a sales consulting firm.
That sounds amazing. That sounds like a 360-degree solution for anybody that's looking for funding and to increase their sales.
Exactly.
This directly leads me to my next question. What do you think today's, I know the whole reason for your company's existence or even the need for it right now is the growing of the startup ecosystem in India.
Exactly.
So what are your thoughts on that?
So I'll tell you. The need for my company was through a pain point.
Yes.
Basically 5 to 6 years ago when I was in college actually, I was struggling.
Yeah.
Struggling in the sense I did not have access to VCs, I did not have access to investors, I did not have access to mentors who can help me out, who can help me with the legal stuff, who can help me with a lot of tech stuff. I come from a tech background of myself, but there are many things, I cannot do everything. So I thought that I should be able to do it all. But that was not the answer. Even though I gained experience in marketing, in sales, in data science, in AI, in everything. And I wanted, like at that time when I was a college kid, I did not have the resources. That is where like this startup is coming from my pain point.
Got it.
We are building an ecosystem for even the VCs as well as the startups, where everyone can get a platform to showcase that on. Suppose you are in a tier 2 or tier 3 city, right? You're sitting there, like right now we are in Bengaluru, Silicon Valley of India actually. So here we can actually like see so many founders, so many entrepreneurs, so many VCs, a lot of people. But suppose you're sitting in a tier 3 city, you have this great idea, yet you do not have any connections, right? So how can you get that? So that's where our platform comes in between.
That's great.
Yeah.
That was a really good answer.
Yeah.
Now, before we wrap up, I just have a couple of questions for you.
For sure.
So the first one being, what is your ideal productive work environment? What does it look like?
For me, work-life balance is the most important thing. I want them to have access to food, like lunch and coffee and everything else that should be there for them. And I want to make a very engaging sort of workspace. I do not want it to be, they are surrounded with just computers or laptops and like doing things and then getting stressed out. No, I want like certain fun events which anyone can participate. It's not mandatory thing. There were times when there were mandatory things which I didn't want to participate in, right? It's just optional.
Yeah.
So something like that is basically my ideal work environment.
I feel like you just described Beehive to me. That's how it works. Okay, so the last question for you was that we have a lot of budding entrepreneurs and futurepreneurs that are watching.
Yeah.
What would be one piece of advice that you would want to give them?
Just execution is the key.
Yeah.
Don't just sit on your idea. Don't. I have been sitting on this idea for the past 6 years.
Wow.
I swear. So at that time, when I had 0 competitors, right now I have a lot of competitors. The reason being I did not have access to resources.
Yeah.
The need for the startup was there. That's why.
Yeah. So that's great. So guys, do not sit on your idea. Go for it as soon as it starts. Thank you so much for your time today.
Yeah,
It was
sure.
lovely hearing about your company. All the best.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.